I'm going to be showing you how to set any song as your ringtone. First, you need to go to this website called pixabay.com music. You need to go into this green website and scroll down. You'll find any music you want. Then, if you can't find it, just search it. I want this one. Your phone ringing. Your phone ringing. Big boy, come pick up your phone. Your phone ringing. This will go to a voicemail. Bye. But what the sick? Your phone ringing. Your phone ringing. Big boy, come pick up your phone. Your phone ringing. Right, what the sigma? Nothing. I want the phone ringing. Your phone ringing. Big boy, come pick up your phone. Your phone ringing. Your phone ringing. Your phone ringing.
Your phone ringing. Your phone ringing. Big boy, come pick up your phone. How you know pick up your phone? Your phone ringing. Your phone going to go to voicemail. Goodbye.
I want this. Give me. I want it right now. I
Your
want it
phone
right now.
ringing.
I want
Your
it.
phone
Give
ringing.
me it right now.
Big
I
boy,
want
come
it.
pick up your phone.
W. Now what you need to do?
How you know pick up your phone? Your phone.
Now you need to go to settings. You need to type ringtone. Then you need to click ringtone. So then, then you said the thing you found as your ringtone. Then you click done. And for example, if someone calls me, this will be my ringtone actually. I'm not kidding. And yeah, well, thank me later.